Method of Tayammum wiping. Farid of Tayammum are 3 farik in Tayammum. 1. Intention. 2. Wiping hands on the entire face. 3. Wiping both arms including the elbows. 10 Sunan of Tayammum. 1. Reciting Bismillah. 2. Hitting the hands on the ground. 3. Moving the hands back and forth on the ground. 4. Keeping gap among the fingers. 5. Jerking the hands by hitting the base of one thumb against the other, but taking caution not to make a clapping sound. 6. Wiping the face first and then the hands. 7. Wiping them one after the other without delay. 8. Wiping the right arm first and then the left arm. 9. Picking doing killal of the beard. 10. Picking doing killal of the fingers if dust has reached amongst fingers. If dust has not reached, e.g. if hands were hit for tayammum on stone etc., carrying no dust. Killal of the fingers as far, there is no need to hit the hands on the ground again. 4. Method of Tayammum. Ḥanafī. Tayammum is a ritual purification method in Islamic jurisprudence fiqh that allows a person to perform dry ablution when water is not available or its use is prohibited due to certain circumstances. The Ḥanafī school of thought recognizes tayammum and provides specific guidelines for its application. Here is a step-by-step method of performing tayammum according to the Ḥanafī school. Intention. Niyyah. Formulate the intention in your heart. 2. Perform tayammum for the purpose of ritual purification. Find clean, dry earth. Look for an area with clean, natural earth, such as sand, dust, or soil. Ensure that it is free from impurities. Najāsah. Strike the earth. Lightly strike the ground with your hands, palms down, ensuring that your hands are free from any impurities. This action symbolizes the beginning of tayammum. Wipe the face. Using your palms, wipe your face once, starting from the forehead to the chin, making sure to cover the entire face. This is done in one motion. Wipe the hands with the same hands. Wipe the right hand up to the wrist and then the left hand up to the wrist, using the same motion as you did for the face. Completion. At this point, the tayammum is complete. You can now proceed with your prayer or any other ritual that requires ritual purification. It is important to note that tayammum is only valid under specific conditions when water is not available or its use is not possible due to illness, lack of access, fear of harm, or other legitimate reasons recognized by Islamic law. After water becomes available or the prohibitive circumstances cease to exist, it is necessary to perform ablution with water wudu or ghusl ritual bath to regain the state of ritual purity.